Hi, this is Riaz. I will be explaining how to configure router in simple network. So for that, first we need a few PCs. You can go here and select PC, PC1, PC2. We are going to do two networks, so we have to have at least 4 PCs. Then we need to select switch. You can select these network devices. You will get switches. Select the general switch. So later if you want to add any other PC, you can add it easily. Then we need a router. So we select router. Select the general router. Assign the router. So now we have to do a cable connection. You can click here for a connection. So we have various types of cable. Better recommended to select automatically choose connection type. So connect this PC, then connect to the switch, connect this PC, connect to the switch, simultaneously connect this, connect to the switch. Okay, now it's connected. Do the right side also. Connect this, you connected this. So now all are connected. Now connect both the routers. Then you can press fast forwards and you can see except this side and this side remaining all are connected. Now we have to assign a IP. Before we assign IP, just for the node we will see the category of it. We will assign this one as a 193 series, this one as a 194 series, then we'll put this as a 195 series. So we will remember what are the IP that we are assigning. So this one will be 193.0.0.2. This one will be 193.0.0.3. This one will be 194.0.0.2. Then this one will be 194.0.0.3. Okay, this side we will be assigning the gateway 193.0.0.1. This side will be 194.0.0.1. So here you will be assigning 195.0.0.2. This we will be connected. This connected to the serial port. This connected to the fast Ethernet port. So this one is 195.0.0.3. So now let's assign this. So click this, then double click the PC, go to desktop, assign an IP 193.0.0.2, and subnet mode is created automatically. Then default gateway. So what is our default gateway? 193.0.0.1. That's, so remember this. So that's the one we assigned here. So now it's assigned. So click and close this and close, and same way here. What's the IP for this? Desktop, assign IP 193.0.0.3. Then default gateway will be 193.0.0.1. Okay, this is assigned. Now do the same thing here. So config, you can see desktop IP config 194.0.0.2. Okay, here the default gateway will be 194.0.0.1. So close this, then assign here desktop IP 194.0.0.3. Then the subnet mask is assigned. Default gateway is 194.0.0.1. So we assign the IP for all the PCs. Now we go to the router, double click the router. Once you double click the router, you can see config. Under the config, we have to go to the fast Ethernet because we connected to the fast Ethernet. Assign the IP address, that is our default gateway. Okay, once you assign this, you have to on. Many of us, when we are rushing, we would have forget to on this. That's the place we make a mistake. So close this. Now you can see the connection is established between these two. This is not established yet. So what you have to do now, go here, double click, config, fast Ethernet. So what's the IP you will assign? It's recommended to put the node so easy you won't forget it and won't make a mistake. But one, so you do it. So if you close now, it won't work. You have to on the port. So don't make a mistake here. So on the port, so you can see the change status to on. Then you can close. Now you see it's set to connect. So click fast forward. When you click fast forward, it's connected. So now router, switch, and the PCs are connected in one side, another side is connected. You can see these two sides, it's not connected yet. So now we have to assign, so you can see it's a serial port. We have to assign the IP to the serial port. You can click over here. So you can see in the node 193, you can cross check and verify gateway is correct or not. So yeah, here also 194. Yeah. So the default gateway is correct. So you can see here 194 IP is 3, here is 2. So here also the 193.0.0.1 is a gateway. So it is correct. So not to make a mistake, better to always have a note here so you won't make a mistake. Even if you make a mistake, you will know how to rectify that. So this is 194 series, this is 193 series. Now we are going to connect these two. So double click this, then we go to the serial port, then we assign a IP 195.0.0.3. okay, same way here you have to on the port. Okay, then close here, then click this, go to serial port. So what's the IP you have to assign? See, 195.0.0.2. Then don't forget on the port, the change status to up, then close. Now you see it's connected. Now the routers are connected. Even though now it's connected, we have to assign the IP address to the table. So double click, then you go to we can use through the static and you can use through the RIP. We are going to use the RIP first. We can add through the GUI, and as well as you can type the command, and you can add the IP as well as to make it easy. Add through the GUI 193.0.0.0. That's our IP address for left side. Then as well as we need to add this IP series into the router side. So 195.0.0.0. So we add this both. Okay, once you add this, there is one more important thing that you have to do. Go to setting and save. So the option will be saved. So configure from console by console will be performed here. Then close this. Do the same thing here. Go to RIP. Then add 194.0.0.0. Then add 195.0.0.0. So what you have to do after that, don't forget to save this file. Here in the settings, go to settings and click save button. So then you can close this. To check the packets whether it's moving or not, you can click this and click this area, then you can see the packets movement successful or not. So we are doing now in a real time. So click the packet, assign a packet here, then assign a packet to this router. You can see it's successful here. Then same way you can click this packet and click this router, it's successful. Now let's see whether this network package from left side to right side. click this, so it's successful. This is a real-time one, so you can delete it now, not to have a confusion. So now go to the simulation. Now try the packet in simulation. Get the packet, click in PC0, send the packet to PC3, then we play. Then we can see now PC0 to switch is in progress, PC0 to router, then router to router 1, router 0 to router 1, then router 1 to switch 1 this is, then still in a progress, so far so good. So it goes to the PC3, so no issue so far, it's received successfully. Then it go back to the switch, then you can go back to switch to the router, then router to the switch, router to another router, router 1 to router 0, then router 0 to switch, router 0 to switch to PC. So it successfully traveled. So I think our configuration is successful. Please subscribe to my channel for more video on Cisco Packet Tracer and other technological trend. Thank you.